Welcome to this course about how to play a drum solo over a fifth ostinato. Fifth ostinatos, they are very often used in drum solo, obviously, but also in some music styles like Bossa Nova, Samba, Salsa. I will play some of the ostinatos that we can find on the fifth, at least. First ostinato, I'm pretty sure you already know it. It's the Samba, Bossa Nova ostinato. So it goes like this. Another ostinato is the Bigeault ostinato. So it goes like this. I prefer this ostinato compared to the Bossa Nova ostinato because the kick plays a kind of syncopated rhythm that I think is maybe more musical and less redundant. So let's play it again. Usually the beats are more commonly, let's say, in 4/4 or based on 4/16 notes like this. But you can find beats that are based on ternary numbers like 3 or 6 or 12. So a first ostinato we can use with this meter is this. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So this ostinato, you have the kick on the first 16th note, then we have a silence for 16th notes, and then the hi-hat playing on the third 16th note. Another ostinato that is ternary feeling is this one. So now it's based on 6 16th notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this one is also really cool to work over. Now I'm gonna show you a group of 5 beats, like a beat that is subdivided in 5. So we're talking about 5 16th notes here, and it sounds like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the fifth is not played, and the 4 others are played with kick and woodblock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I take this opportunity to tell you that if you can offer you a different sounding element like this, like the woodblock, it's very inspiring in the playing and very cool to practice on. Another ostinato I wanted to show you is the Rumba clave 2/3. So there's different types of Rumba claves. There's 3/2 and 2/3. That's the amount of strokes we have. 2/3 is like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And you see the first measure, the first half measure is starting with 2 strokes and then it's 3 strokes. That's why we call it Rumba clave 2/3. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. This one I really enjoy working on it. It's not easy because it changes placement all the time, but it's really fun to work on it, and you feel great once you achieve working on some rhythm on this clave. You can join this clave with the kick in a complementary way. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the kick is playing one, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's really syncopated, and alongside this clave, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Once we have found an ostinato, so let's make this clear. An ostinato is a rhythmic pattern that you play and repeat on a loop. It's called an ostinato. So obviously, the ostinato we're going to play is going to last not forever, but as long as we want, and we're just going to be able to phrase on top of that and have fun. The goal is really to have just one ostinato and be able to phrase with the other limbs we have on top of this. The first step you want to be sure about is to, once you have chosen your ostinato, be comfortable with it. It's very important. You don't have to think about it, to think about the mechanism of it. And you want to be certain that you have practiced it already enough times to have built some muscle memory, some ear memory, and basically you could think about your list at the grocery store or read a journal while playing it. Okay, so in the next lesson we're gonna be working on the Bigeault ostinato with single accents.